In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Cloudflare account ID quickly and easily. Whether you're managing your website's security settings or troubleshooting, knowing where to find your account ID is crucial for seamless operations. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. Head over to the Cloudflare homepage, and once there, locate the login button. Click on this button, which will take you to the login page. For a streamlined experience, you can choose to continue with your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Cloudflare account. This quick step ensures that you're securely accessing your Cloudflare dashboard using your existing Google credentials. Once you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is navigate to your domain. To do that, go to the top navigation bar and find the Home tab. Click on it and you'll see a list of your domains. Choose the domain you want to manage. Clicking on your domain will lead you to a specific dashboard displaying various options and settings tailored for your chosen domain. Now, as you delve into the domain section, I want you to focus your attention on the right side of the dashboard. Scroll down slightly and you'll find a section with some essential information about your account. Among these details, you will find your account ID. It's typically located on the right hand side and is clearly labeled, so don't worry about overlooking it. And here's a helpful tip. If you ever need to use your account ID for a variety of tasks, Cloudflare makes it really easy for you. Once you've located your account ID, you'll also notice a little button next to it that says Click to Copy. This feature allows you to copy the account ID directly to your clipboard with just a simple click. It's a time saver when you need to paste the ID into another document or share it with someone quickly. Congratulations, you've now successfully located and copied your Cloudflare account ID. With the account ID in hand, you're now better equipped to handle any advanced settings or support inquiries. I hope you found this video guide helpful and that it made your task just a little bit easier. If you did, please consider liking the video or sharing it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Thanks for watching and see you next time.